direction is changed, isn't it, Akshay? Yeah. And it's now facing, sun is moving, so it's moved to that little bit. Birds is still coming. Lots of bees are still coming today, enjoying this beautiful flower. And we will make another one in the evening. Then see, it will be facing to the west. Yes. What's you up to? I think you got some surprise to show. And what's the surprise?
I cannot.
Because it's too high. Look. And today our sunflower came.
I want to find this.
Look, a bee is coming. Bee, oh my goodness, bee is coming. Bee came to take some nectar. It's a sunflower and the sunbeam way. Can you see the bee, Akshay?
Yeah.
And do you know the beauty of sunflower?
Yeah.
Do you know beauty of sunflower? It moves with the sun. So in the morning, like now, here, look, sun is that side. Yes? So look, sun is that side. Don't look at sun. Yeah? Sun is that side and the flower is facing the sun. Can you see that? And when sun will move like this and go to evening like this side, then sunflower move back. What do you mean why? Because sunflowers lost the sun. And it's still opening. Few leaves are not open yet, but they're gonna open soon. Is that right?
And then this is called a tower.
That's a tower to give some more water and air to the plants. Akshay, can you tell me something about sunflower, please?
Yes, like Sarahan jungle.
It's like very tall, but it's not a siren head. It's a sunflower. No, but do you know anything about sunflower?
Yes.
What do you know about sunflower?
Animals, like animals.
Oh, look, bees came again.
Yes.
Bees came again to get some nectar. I think lots of bees and butterflies, they will come. I think butterfly is also coming.
You will love the sun.
Yes, they love the sun. No, they love the nectar because that's so sweet. So this bee is so hungry. And she wants all the nectar. Look, she gone. And now her friend will come. Oh, butterfly. Man, oh my goodness. One flower is taking so many. We have another one here. This is a small flower. It will be coming soon. And then this one is even bigger than Akshay's. Can you stand Akshay here? Look, this flower is bigger than Akshay's. It's gone to like more than 1 meter. Is that right?
Yes.
How much is long it is? Maybe more than 1 meter? Maybe 1.5 meter. Look, it's because it's like, look.
And there's water.
Yeah, 1.5 meter, at least 1.5 meter because it's more than it's coming up to my neck. And I'm 168, so it should be like 160.
It's 60.
160 centimeters tall. Bless you. Is the very beautiful sunflower. Say welcome to our world, yeah? Yeah? We welcome him? Yeah? Will you some water to him every day? Do you know, just from sunflower they make the oil? Yeah? And they make lots of nice things from sunflower. And they use it for decoration in the garden or in the house because it's one of the very pretty flower. I think there are 3 flowers. Look, actually there are 4 flowers coming in this one. Look, one is here, one is there, one is behind, and one is here.
No. Like, we have no idea.
So I think there will be like 5 flowers coming in this tree.
Flowers will.
And then in the evening, this flower here, it will turn round, and will go to waste. You know butterflies, and they love the lavender. Yes, right. The summer garden is so beautiful. I think there are at least 100 bees and at least 50 butterflies. And that is roach. Which one is that? Red?
Red.
That's right. And which one is this one? This is white rose.
They're right.
White. And that one is the big flower. That's right. And then Yappo is behind. Butterfly came into. Look, this one is very tall as well. The summer, so many flowers come into. And we have another one here. That one is the pumpkin. That one is a pumpkin. Pumpkin flower. We are waiting for some pumpkins to come.
What? And the
Yeah.
potatoes.
Yeah, is a butternut squash or pumpkin. They are kind of same family.
I don't know. It's like a big flower. Pink.
This one, pink flower. The ladybird is going up. Look,
Ladybird.
he's here. He's going to the flower, I think. I found ladybird. I can't do ladybird. What are you doing, ladybird? Where are you going, ladybird? Ladybird, where you been? You are so big. How you been to queen?
Daddy, stop. There's a shadow over there.
Yes, I can see that.
What is it going to do?
See, just having nice weather, ladybird.
Maybe it is just.
I think this one have at least 5 flowers actually. That will be so nice.
But how? Maybe.
They will come slowly.
Maybe.
And this will become bigger, more bigger.
But then it will turn like sun.
And it will move as sun will move. The flower will move, same. So in the morning.
The sun moving.
It's moving? Yeah, I told you actually. I told you. That's why it's called.
What's moving?
Because it's shaking with the breeze. It's happy. 4:30 and the sunflower is direction is changed now. It's mostly directly to south, and after some time it's gonna be completely waste. And ladybird is still there. I've seen the ladybird. It's still moving here. That's surprising. Look like she loves the sunflower. And I'm sure it's gonna change direction again. Look, yeah. That was east in the morning. Now it's not. It's like now mostly it's the southwest, and then it's gonna go west completely. That's so fascinating to see.
Bye bye.
And ring the
Bell. Ring a bell.
and don't forget to share.
Forget a chair.
The church, you know the flower outside.
Yes.
Let's change the direction again. Let's go and check.
It's just moving.
Can we go and check now?
Yes.
Going to west now? Oh, west. Yeah, it's now in another direction. Wow, can I check from outside? Look, I told you it's keep changing, isn't it? And it's more open now. Yeah, it's a beautiful. I think tomorrow it'll open better. It's becoming better, bigger.
And it will just move.
Yeah. I think it's moving very nicely. Open now today. We're very happy to see it. It's looking so pretty.
And the sun is moving.
Yeah, it's moving because it's a sunflower.
It's facing the sun.
Yes, it does. But today we don't have much sun.
And the night and sun move.
Yes, that's right. In the night, it's gonna sleep.
And then the sun open and the sun will move.
Yes, that's right.
Is it turning left?
Yeah, it's turning.